Hey first grade, so this is part 2 for Friday's video. So we're going to do another problem like we have been doing. So let's get started and do our last problem for this week. Luke and Cooper were getting ready to go to recess. The first person to solve 8 plus 9 got to go to recess first. Luke decided he was going to count on to solve, but Cooper thought of a different way. What did he do? So let's try our first way. Let's try Luke's way of counting on. So Luke starts with 9 and counts on to 10, or counts on and adds 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So Luke takes the time to count on from 9 and adds 8 and gets 17. So let's write a number sentence that shows what we did. So we're going to do 9. Whoops. We're going to do 9 plus 8. And after counting on, we learned that that equals 17. So here is our number bond. And again, think about what our two parts are. So 9 and 8. And remember, our total goes at the top, so 17. So Cooper thinks, that really took a long time to count on because I had to think, I'm starting at 9 and then I had to count on 8 more times, and that takes so long to do. So let's think of a shorter and quicker way to do it. So he notices that 9, I could just make 10. So he's going to cross out this 9 and take one of these from our 8 group and move it over here. So now we have 10. And we'll cross out our 8 because now we have 7. And he knows that if we have one part of 10 and one part of 7, we don't have to count down because now your brain should know, 10 adding on 7, 17. So that's why we've been working so hard this week to make groups of 10. And in case you didn't see what I did the first time, I took one of our counters from the 8 group and moved it over to the 9 group to make 10. So now instead of having 9, I made a group of 10. And because I took one away from 8, I have 7. So my two parts became 10 and 7. And here I added them in our number bond. And because our brain can add 10 and 7 faster, because we know that we can just take out this 0 and add the 7, instead of trying to think about, let's count up 8 times from 9. That takes much longer. So that's a reason why we have been working really hard this week to make groups of 10, because it will teach our brains to work in a faster way and do math more efficiently, which means we can get things done quicker and we can still be very accurate in getting the same answer. So accurate means that we are correct. So hopefully this makes sense. And today your homework looks like the homework you did yesterday. So if you are stuck, feel free to watch yesterday's part 2 video, or you can have mom or dad send me an email and we can figure out a way that I can help you. So I hope you have a great weekend and I will see you next week. And again, if you need anything, feel free to reach out. So bye kids.